Are you a foodie? Or whilst you're away, do you enjoy trying local food and drink? If so, this video is for you. During this video, I'm going to share some of the best food and drink we tried in Edinburgh, including loads of Scottish traditions. We will cover both meat and vegetarian options. Scotland is home to some unique food items. You can't go wrong with an English breakfast tea and a buttery mouth-watering Scottish shortbread, which can be found in most cafes in Edinburgh and local shops. However, our recommendation is to try Walker's shortbread or to go to M&S. Another Scottish tradition is Tunnock's tea cakes. It's a gooey marshmallow on a biscuit base covered in milk chocolate. Now, one of my favourite things to always recommend and my number one food you must try is battered food. In Edinburgh, you can get most things deep fried in batter, including burgers and pizzas, and there are so many places for you to try this. We went to Bertie's, a fish and chip restaurant on Victoria Street, and they do both dine-in and take-out. We ordered the haddock and chips with tartar sauce, and the fish was a really decent size, and on the side we ordered a curry sauce. Now, as I'm a vegetarian, I tried the vegetarian haggis and chips, but they also do a traditional meat haggis. This was all washed down with an Irn Bru. Irn Bru is a Scottish carbonated soft drink, often called Scotland's national drink, with a unique hard-to-describe flavour and a bright orange colour. The next evening, we tried a battered Mars bar from Castle Rock, which is a take-out place based in the Grassmarket. Let us know in the comments your favourite Scottish food. Number 2 of things you have to try whilst in Edinburgh is my favourite Indian restaurant, Dishoom. Dishoom is inspired to match cafes in Mumbai, and it's like street food where you try 3 to 4 dishes per person. I'd recommend booking in advance as there's always queues outside, and I always order the signature dish, which is the black dal and a side of garlic naan. We also had the Dishoom house chat, the chicken roti roll, all served with homemade chutneys. So number 3 on our things to try is the Elephant Cafe. This is the one on Victoria Street, where the author J.K. Rowling wrote her first book while she was in the back room overlooking Edinburgh Castle, making the Elephant House the birthplace of the series of the Harry Potter novels. You can even try a butterscotch beer. So number 4 is, do you love flaky Swedish-style pastries like me? If so, Soderberg is a must. There's a few scattered across Edinburgh, and I had the cinnamon bun, and it was gorgeous. So number 5 is, if you were really looking for a unique dining experience in Edinburgh, I highly recommend Six by Nico. It's a 6-course tasting menu restaurant where the menu is themed and changes every 6 weeks. It is also really affordable for a tasting experience, with the menu usually costing between £40 to £50 per person. And when we were in Edinburgh, the theme was the Murder on the Midnight Express. So number 6 is the best hot chocolate that we tried whilst we were in Edinburgh at O Chocolates. An independent chocolate shop based in Stockbridge. The hot chocolate was Spanish style and included actual chocolate. It was so rich, creamy and delicious. Number 7 is the Edinburgh Street Food Hall. It's a really cool vibe and offered a variety of vendors, meaning you could order a few different dishes from different stands. These include things like barbecue, burgers, Japanese, Mexican and cookie dough. We even tried the Detroit pizza and it was really good. They even cater for vegans. So number 8 is our go-to app called Too Good To Go. They specialise in surplus food and drink, where local cafes and restaurants will list any food and drink items that are available, and you'll purchase a surprise bag, usually filled with a really great selection at a very reasonable price. Whilst we were in Edinburgh, we went to Hot Toddy and we purchased the surprise bag, where we've got a wide range of bakery items for a whole £2.99. We hope you've enjoyed these top things to eat in Edinburgh. If you've got alternative suggestions, please drop them in the comment section for others to share and enjoy. If you want to know some of the top things to do in Edinburgh and where to stay, please check out our other Edinburgh videos. And to help us continually offer these free videos, please like, subscribe and share our channel. And we hope to see you next time.